Click on the link below to get price. The Puma x Fenty Cleated Creeper Surf is a striking fusion of style and streetwear, expertly crafted to stand out in any casual ensemble. Designed by Rihanna as part of her collaboration with Puma, this shoe encapsulates the edgy yet chic aesthetic that the Fenty brand is known for. Upon unboxing, the first thing that catches the eye is the unique silhouette. The thick, cleated sole provides a bold foundation, elevating the wearer both in height and style. The platform design not only makes a fashion statement but also offers unexpected comfort, making it suitable for all-day wear. The cushioning inside is soft, providing adequate support for walking or standing without causing discomfort. The shoes are available in a variety of colors, each one vibrant and trendy, appealing to a broad audience. The material used for the upper is a mix of suede and textile, lending a premium feel while ensuring durability. The texture and finish give the shoe a luxurious appearance, making it a versatile piece that can transition from day to night with ease. The lace up front ensures a secure fit, and the iconic Puma logo is tastefully displayed, reflecting brand pride while maintaining a sleek design. One of the standout features is the branding on the side, which remains subtle yet noticeable, adding to the overall aesthetic rather than overwhelming it. However, it's worth noting that sizing can be a bit tricky. Some users report that the shoes run small, suggesting potential buyers might want to consider ordering a half size up for a more comfortable fit. Overall, the Puma x Fenty Cleated Creeper Surf is a remarkable addition to any sneaker collection, merging bold design with everyday functionality. Whether you're hitting the streets or attending a casual gathering, these sneakers provide a perfect blend of comfort and distinctive style, making them a worthwhile investment for fashion-forward individuals.